Welcome, I am Akaki and this is a 3D printed puzzle by Andrey Ustjuzhanin. It is called Package. As you can tell, you have to pack all these pieces into your neat little package here. This time the frame has a few more holes than before, but I think it's still symmetric. This side here is, if I turn it around this axis, it is exactly the same as this side. Alright, let's try. This one is conspicuous to me. I don't think there are many places where this might fit. Here is one, but it won't fit on these long faces, I'm sure. That doesn't count. It's not even completely in there. I think this one has to occupy one of these notches like this. Yes, I'm quite sure that's true. Okay, there are two mirror options, so that one and that one. These are mirrored. So only two locations for the snaky one. Other conspicuous ones... Conspicuous? Is that even the right word? Suspicious? This one also has a snaky bit to it, like an M. This is quite large as well. Oh, see, this guy also has to occupy one of these notches because it's got this whole T shape here, and this won't fit in a 2x2. It has to go in a 3x3 like that. And at the same time, I don't think it can be on the inside. Maybe it can. But I think some part of it has to occupy the notch there. The notch, I mean the hole there. What else can I say about this? This one is quite long as well. This is 4 long, so I think it will have to go through the frame. So it will show up on 2 faces. And if it wishes to, it can also occupy one of the notches there, like that. In fact, that's pretty cool. So these two could live together like that. Perhaps. If that's the case, now we need to fill here. No, but before that, I don't think that's the case now. See, something would have to fill all these 5 slots here, especially these 4 in the middle, which would need a flat piece, wouldn't it? You'd need a piece with a flat face because it only has one connecting box here where my finger is now. So that can't be the configuration between those two. That's one way too. If that's the case, then these two has to be filled with one piece. That's not very hard. I think many pieces fit that bill. So that's not very interesting of a finding. Am I already stuck with the... No, this can now go here. I think this is now the only place where this snaky bit goes. I can't see any other places where it would go. Oh, there's another one. Never mind. It would be nice to be able to say something definitive. I have a feeling that this is correct. It's just a hunch, but let's start with that. So now, if this is correct, we need to fill that one single place. What about this? There's no problem so far. Just checking if we can still fit the snake in. So if this is the case with the 2 first pieces, the only place where the snake now fits is here, and it creates a paradox here. These two can't be empty like that. Yep, so that's not the case. This is not the correct answer at this point. I'm a bit stuck with this one, I'm afraid. That looks fun. It's a nice shape for it, but there's nothing to hold this piece in. Nothing hooks it in place, so this would fall out. So I don't think that goes there. I think this goes somewhere deeper into the piece. But where? Can I even get this? This is actually not very easy to get in here, because you can't, once you put it in crooked like that, you cannot straighten it out. It's too tight. So I think this piece has to come through a very special way. So in that way, this is quite restricted. Can't go through there. It can go like that, but only that deep. It cannot go further. And now there's a problem. You can't fill in this box. That's something it could do. Okay, so this piece going in, I think that would be a very likely way for it to look together. That's like a very puzzly way for it to go through, isn't it? Or it could do something like this, I guess. But I'm going to go with my hunch and say it does. That's a very nice way for it to hook in there. I think this is a very puzzly way for it to go. So I'm gonna say that that's the case for now. What's now the hardest piece to fill? I'm gonna do the check with the snaky bit. That would be fun, but is there a way to fill that? There is, yes. I like how the two zigzaggy ones are now there hugging each other. And now the only way to fill this place would be with this piece. This is the only one with the T shape like that. If this is the case, it's fine otherwise, but this, perhaps this is the last piece then, because the only thing it locks in place is this from moving that way. So let's keep that there. The other pieces here, this can't be on the outside because it doesn't fit. It would have to be on the inside. Let's keep that thought. We can make this one fit, I think. Let me take the supposed last piece out and just imagine it being there. I think I can move these around enough to fit this guy in. Where do you have to come in from? From here? I moved everything out of the way. It's this doesn't fit in. I was imagining for this guy to... I was imagining for this piece to fill this whole row here. Somehow. How wide open do you have to be for this to come in? It has to come from... Everything has to go. Okay. Ooh, take the snake out. Take the M out. If this were to fill that space, it would have to come from here, go up, and do that. Okay. Now the M. How does it do it? From here? That's the only way. Okay. So that there. Yet at the same time with this. Oh, there we are. Okay. Oh, whew. That was like 5 minutes. Finally got the M in, and now the snake goes in next to the M there. Okay, so that's the snaky bit there, snaky guy, and this is the M shape. And we saw this T hole, so this T goes there. Okay, but we just keep that out because I believe this is the last piece. Just imagine it there. And now the next place to fill is here, I think. This can fill it. What's going on? Okay, this goes there, that much I can see. Yes. Okay, so I've got all about this one piece, and this also seems to be cracked, so okay. Again, we're at the magic point where I know where everyone goes, but I need to find the steps. Alright, so this piece is going to be the last one. always is a way out, so that can stay out. I think the M piece here is quite free to come out as soon as this one just moves one over. The M goes in steps like that, like a conveyor belt. Right? Hard to show, but yes. So I think in that order. Now, how do I get this one in? But this is impossible. How can it? Have I got it all right? Oh, look at that. I did it. So, oh no, that's weird. So this piece, trying to fill these three here simultaneously with that, can actually be slid from the top here, like that. And the M-looking piece can now go back into its place. And after that, the snake bit goes in still, I think. Here it is. That's cool. That's perfect. And this guy is... I think the snake can still wait outside. I believe this guy is here. And if we scrape it out like that, the snake goes crunch, crunch, crunch. And the last piece, as I predicted, is this guy. Whew. That's a lot of work. Package. That was a lot of packaging, definitely. Really cool puzzle, I think. Thank you very much for watching. Please download the 3D files. Print them yourself. Change tolerances if you need to. And I hope you have fun. And I will see you next time.